Well, hello there. Have you been having a hard time expressing your creative self? Have you been having a hard time tapping into who you truly are, your authentic self? Have you been having stifling creativity? If the answer is yes, then I have the perfect solution for you to try out. And whenever I say this, I don't want you to roll your eyes and say, here we go again. I want you to give it a try. If you are down for it, give it a try. This has helped me tremendously. I have tried it for almost longer than a year for sure, and I recommend it. So, if you are ready to create yourself, to create from your authentic self, then here we go. So, you've been wanting to unleash this inner creativity that is inside of you. Well, the powerful tool that can help you tap into your inner creativity and unlock your full potential is journaling. So, keeping a journal allows you to explore your thoughts and your emotions in a safe and non judgmental space. It gives you the freedom to basically express yourself without any limitations. And journaling can be as simple as writing down your thoughts, your dreams, or even your ideas that just come flowing through. It's a way to capture your thoughts on paper and to make them tangible. And by putting pen to paper, you're activating a powerful cognitive process. Journaling helps organize your thoughts, sharpen your focus, and clarify your ideas. So, this means you unleash your creativity in the process. And journaling is not just about writing, it's about self reflection and self discovery. It's a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. And you can use various journaling techniques to explore different aspects of your creativity, from gratitude journaling to goal setting, from sketching to mind mapping. The possibilities, honestly, are endless. Through journaling, you can create a treasure trove of ideas and insights. You'll find hidden gems that can be the spark for your next creative project or solution to a problem you've been facing. So, why not unlock your creative potential, right? Grab a pen right now, open your journal, pause the video if you need to, and let your thoughts flow. You never know what is amazing thing that you are going to create just emerges out of you. You never know what amazing creations might emerge. Now, I want you to remember that there are no rules or restrictions in journaling. It's your personal sanctuary for self expression. Embrace the power of journaling and discover the untapped depths of your creativity. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it because of its information, then be sure to subscribe to my channel for more inspirations and creative tips. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about journaling, journaling is a powerful tool that can help you unlock your creativity, right? This means tapping into your innermost thoughts and feelings. By regularly writing down your ideas, experiences, and emotions, you can gain insight into your own mind. In this, developing your writing skills and also exploring new perspectives. So, one of the benefits of journaling is that it allows you to express yourself without fear of judgment or even criticism. You can write whatever comes to your mind, whether it's a stream of consciousness or a structured narrative. This freedom to experiment and explore can help you break through creative blocks and generate fresh ideas. And another advantage of journaling is that it can help you develop a regular writing habit and indeed growing your habit of writing. By committing to writing every day or even weekly, you can build your skills and confidence as a writer. You can also track your progress over time so you can see how you're doing and see how your writing style and interests evolve, which is really exciting whenever you go back to see for yourself. To get the most out of your journaling practice, it's important to set aside a dedicated time, whether that is in the morning, in the midday, while you're having lunch, a dedicated time and space for writing. This could be a few minutes each day or a longer session once a week. You may also want to experiment with different journal formats, such as bullet journaling, gratitude journaling, dream journaling. They're all very different, but it all entails you writing more often. In conclusion, journaling is a powerful tool that can help you tap into your creativity, expressing yourself, and developing your writing skills. By making it a regular habit, you can unlock your potential and discover new insights, new ideas. So, why not give it a try, right? Grab a notebook, a pen, and start exploring your inner world today.